Is your Hisense TV showing a no signal message even though your cable is plugged in? Don't worry, because we are going to fix that HDMI detection issue right now. Welcome back to TechVibes. This usually happens because of a failed handshake between your devices, or a buildup of static electricity in the HDMI controller chip. Let's get your screen back to life with these 10 advanced hardware solutions. Step 1. Perform a deep power cycle. Unplug your Hisense TV from the wall and wait for 60 seconds. While it is unplugged, hold the physical power button on the TV frame for 30 seconds to drain the internal capacitors. Step 2. Inspect the HDMI 2.1 port for physical debris. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or lint that might be blocking the pins inside the port. Step 3. Toggle the HDMI 2.0 format. Go to your settings, select Inputs, and change the HDMI 2.1 port from Enhanced to Standard or vice versa. This often forces the TV to rescan for connected hardware. Step 4. Reverse the HDMI cable direction. Some high-end cables are directional. If your cable has labels, ensure the source end is in your console and the TV end is in the Hisense port. Step 5. Disable the CEC or HDMI control feature. This protocol often crashes and blocks the video signal. Turn off CEC in the system settings to see if the HDMI input wakes up. Step 6. Check for a tight bend in your cable. If your HDMI cable is bent at a sharp 90-degree angle against the wall, the internal copper wiring might be fractured. Try a fresh cable without any kinks. Step 7. Use the handshake reset sequence. Turn off both the TV and your device. Unplug the HDMI cable from both ends. Power on the TV first, then the device, and then plug the cable back in. Step 8. Test a secondary HDMI port. Most Hisense TVs have at least 3 inputs. If port 1 is dead, move your device to port 2 or 3 to rule out a localized hardware failure on the board. Step 9. Update the firmware via a USB drive. If your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi is unstable, it can lead to corrupted driver updates. Use a computer to download the latest firmware and install it manually via the USB port. Step 10. Perform a factory reset via the hardware pinhole. Locate the small reset button on the back of your TV. Hold it down with a paperclip for 20 seconds while the TV is powered on to refresh the entire hardware stack. Here is a pro tip for you. If you still have no signal, try lowering the output resolution of your device to 1080p on a different monitor first. Your Hisense TV might be struggling to auto-negotiate a high-speed 4K signal. If you are facing any difficulty with these steps, leave a comment below. I will personally reply to your questions within 1 hour to help you out. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes. Your TV is in good hands, and you will be back to your favorite content in no time.